In this video, I'm going to be running you through all the Projecta electrical systems and components in your MDC Mark III Caravan, what each system does and why you need it. By the end of this video, you'll be able to accurately and confidently monitor your Caravan's electrical input, output, and current state of charge, know your way around all the components and what they do, and you'll also be able to use the Projecta's integrated Bluetooth features to effectively monitor, troubleshoot any issues, and how to configure key system settings to get the most out of your MDC Caravan. Hi guys, and welcome to Masterclass. My name is Benny Blood, and I'm one of Projecta's tech support experts. A while back, we made a video walking you through all of the electrical systems in your MDC Caravan. If you haven't seen that video, and you're the owner of one of our older model Caravans, I highly suggest you go and check that one out. There is a ton of info in this video that will cross over, but some things today are exclusive to the Mark III range. So let's get on with it, shall we? Your MDC Mark III Caravan comes with two 300 amp hour lithium iron phosphate batteries. The built-in BMS, or battery management system, keeps the battery cell's voltage, current, and temperature regulated and turns your battery off when it's low on charge. 600 amp hours is a lot of juice for any off-grid adventure, and thanks to Projecta, the MDC AC Plus system gives you plenty of options to stay powered up and escape for longer. Every MDC Mark III contains two of the newly released IDC25X DC-DC IntelliCharge units. These are your multi-chemistry, dual-function battery chargers that will provide simultaneous charging from both your rooftop solar panels and alternator input from your towing vehicle, making the most of your solar setup while you're off-grid. The beauty of these guys is the simultaneous charging. Even while driving, the IDC25X will be maximising and prioritising your available solar power thanks to Projecta's highly efficient MPPT solar charging, which makes sure you're getting the best possible charge even in the shade, and then only using the alternator when needed to boost the charge up to 25 amps. Now, if you're in the XT19 HRT Mark III van, you actually get three of these bad boys. This is to maximise charge from the impressive 1.25 kilowatts of solar available on this model. However, only two of them will draw from your car's alternator. This has been done intentionally because each IDC25X can sustain an input current up to 35 amps. Combine these three units and you could see a current draw as high as 105 amps on your alternator. And taking into consideration the power demands of a typical Aussie tow vehicle, MDC has left the third alternator input here disconnected to cater for a wider variety of tow vehicles on the market, saving you the worry having to do that unexpected vehicle upgrade. Next, for all your AC power needs, we have the Projecta Inverter Charger. This serves as both a 240 volt automatic 120 amp 5-stage lithium battery charger and a 12 volt 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter with automatic AC transfer. In the XT19 HRT, this unit is replaced with the Projecta Inverter Charger 3, which ups the charging capacity to 180 amps and a larger 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter. Both these units and your IDC25Xs are going to keep your battery charged precisely and maximise the battery life through Projecta's 3 and 5-stage charging, making sure your batteries get the proper care they need to last you longer. As I mentioned earlier, this unit also works as a 12 volt 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter. This will essentially convert your battery power to mains power, allowing you to run the comforts of home while you're off-grid. Unlike traditional plug-in inverters, the integrated inverter charger is hardwired directly into all of your 240 volt outlets all throughout the Caravan, even including the aircon. Meaning, with the AC Plus system, you don't need to be plugged into mains to run your aircon. Another benefit of this integration is automatic AC transfer. This ensures that if your shore power is suddenly disconnected, the inverter will take over, running your 240 volt loads seamlessly for as long as you have battery power or until your shore power is reconnected. Meaning, less time tinkering for you when using different appliances, freeing you up to concentrate on relaxing. AC Plus is a fully integrated AC to DC system, completely protected and giving you full control at each step. Here at your entrance, you'll find the AC power switching and isolation cluster. Starting with the primary RCD or residual current device, this is the same type of safety switch you'll find in your power box at home. Totally automatic and easy to reset if needed. Here we have a dedicated control switch to the air conditioner, making it easy to switch off for power management or when servicing your aircon. And right here is a very handy 240 volt isolation switch. It will cut all 240 volt power to the whole system, cutting the connection between the external 240 volt inlet and everything else. MDC recommends keeping this in the on position unless you are servicing the 240 volt system and need to safely work on the mains connections. Now, one switch you won't find up here, because it's actually located directly on the inverter charger, is a discrete residual current circuit breaker with overcurrent protection known as an RCBO. It's integrated directly into the inverter charger and it ensures maximum protection for you and your equipment. It's fitted with the overcurrent feature, which will also protect your wiring system. If this trips out, it will need to be reset manually with a simple flick of the switch. Let's talk about controls. The inverter charger comes with a linked display control panel and is often located near the lounge or just inside the door up high. Here you can see your power level and usage on the 240 volt circuit, power capacity and loading for the inverter, and your battery charge rate and state of charge. You'll also find an alarm mute button and a convenient power switch which will turn the inverter charger on and off without needing to go outside to the unit itself. Here is also where you can manually change certain settings such as charge rate and AC input configuration. Keeping in mind the Projecta and MDC have worked together to preset everything from the factory to get you up and running immediately. Some of these settings can only be changed from within the Projecta Inverter Charger app. You can download it from your preferred app store, and connection is as easy as following the on-screen direction and then pressing the two center buttons on the screen to reveal your pairing code. Once entered, you are synced and ready to go. From this app, you can monitor the inverter charger exclusively to see the battery system state of charge. Monitoring your power usage is easy with the inverter load percentage meter right on the home screen, taking all the guesswork and napkin math out of the picture. Another great piece of Projecta tech is the BM500BT. This is a clever combination of a smart shunt and informative display with Bluetooth connectivity. This system displays all the important battery information for your 12 volt system and has a variety of alarms to let you know when things need attention. Looking closer at the display, which on most models is found down low just inside the door, you've got navigation controls and a mute button to silence the various warning alarms that can be set and customized. Navigate through other info with the menu buttons. If the battery is discharging, time to go will display how long before the battery is empty under the present load. If the battery is charging, the screen will display the time remaining until the battery is fully charged. You can also monitor the current flowing in or out of the battery, depending on whether your battery is charging or discharging, as you can see here. These information and warning icons will let you know whether the battery is charging or discharging, and also sound the alarm if there are any issues with the current charge rate, the battery temperature, or if your state of charge is dropping too low. This is the beauty of the Projecta Smart Shunt. It accounts for all connected devices and loads, giving you a complete live feed of your power usage and exactly how long you can keep running before needing to top up. So that's an overview of the Projecta gear in your MDC Mark III, as well as a small insight into the BM500BT. But why is it important to know all this and keep an eye on it? Well, let's talk about state of charge. State of charge is the amount of current capacity your battery is holding, shown as a percentage. Again, you can view your battery status on your BM500BT display, or you can pair it up with our smartphone app, so you can check and monitor your battery state of charge from inside your car or while relaxing around a campfire. Once it's connected to your system, the BM500 app will show all the info that the display does and more. You can monitor any alerts and change configuration settings. The app will tell you whether your Caravan's battery is charging, discharging, or on standby. Just like the display, you've got your battery state of charge percentage, time to go, or time till empty. The battery type will be set to LFP to cater for the Life Pro Plus lithium batteries in your van. You've got real-time monitoring of your voltage, current in or out, the battery temperature, as well as the actual capacity. All the info you need about your battery status and condition is in your hands at all times. Now, when you're setting up, your battery capacity should be set to 600 amp hours for all Mark III models. This is different from our last video, as the battery capacity has been upgraded in the Mark III range. If you're unsure of what size of your battery is, consult your owner's manual. If you've been using and enjoying your MDC Mark III, but have now found that your state of charge is inaccurate, there's a process to recalibrate the BM500BT. But first, let's talk about a few scenarios as to why that may have happened. Firstly, let's say you've been out enjoying everything your van has to offer, but oops, the battery's gone flat. If this has happened, then the BM500BT no longer has a reference point to draw from and can't measure your state of charge. Secondly, if you're adding any extra electrical components to your MDC van, you must ensure the modifications are installed by a qualified auto electrician, ensuring also that any additions are wired through the Projecta smart shunt. If the smart shunt is bypassed, the BM500BT will not be able to give an accurate measurement of the current draw or state of charge. Ensuring any additional loads are wired correctly, you can now recalibrate the state of charge using the app. Before you begin state of charge recalibration, it is essential that your van's battery is fully charged. With these taken care of, the process is simple. Select the cog setting to adjust your settings. On the next screen, choose General Settings. Select SOC 100% calibration, and on the pop-up, press Confirm. That's it. Your state of charge is recalibrated and ready to provide accurate information once again. Now, another common question you may have is in regards to current in and out readings and why the charge numbers aren't quite what you might expect. So let's paint a picture. It's the middle of the day, not a cloud in the sky, and you've got bright sun on your panels. Your state of charge is about 50%. On your display, you may expect to see 10 amps or more coming in from your solar panels. However, you're only seeing 5 amps. At face value, you might think something is wrong with your solar panels. However, the most likely cause of this is actually because you've got your fridge, your lights, or other loads eroding that charge away. Therefore, there's less current going to your battery. But don't worry, there's nothing wrong. This is exactly how battery charging works. The more appliances you have using power, the less that power from your solar panels is going to make its way to your battery. If you want to charge your batteries faster, try being more efficient with your energy usage. Some ways you can do this is to turn off the air conditioner isolation switch when not in use. Only turn on the water pump and water heater when needed, and also check that your fridge settings are optimized for cooling without drawing too much power throughout the day. The other most common scenario for low charge current is that your battery is almost fully charged. You may see something like 90 to 95% on your display, and you're seeing the current start to wind down. This is because of the multi-stage charging that we spoke about earlier, and the IDC25X may be getting to the end of the absorption stage and preparing to go into float. This is an intentional part of the multi-stage charging algorithm of our Projecta battery chargers. This is why you won't see high charge current when your battery is fully charged, even if your panels are in direct sunlight. So that was all the Projecta gear in your MDC Mark III Caravan, and hopefully it was also an answer to some of the common questions that you may have. If this hasn't answered your questions, contact your local MDC dealer or give the Projecta tech support line a call. You can also leave a comment down below and subscribe for more tips and tricks and adventure videos to help you get the most out of your caravan. If you're the proud owner of an MDC caravan, there's plenty more masterclass videos for you to check out on the MDC YouTube channel. See you next time.